another episode of Nasty Addiction Garage. My name is Jeremy and this is my 91 Toyota MR2. Where we last left off was where we were in preparation for paint. So what we were doing, removing every body panel we can, every bar that we can, every stabilization bar that we can. What I did today was I kind of cleaned up the car just to kind of make sure, do a once over, make sure there's no dents, nothing that's going to be an imperfection for the paint guys to get it painted. But I have somewhat of some bad news. So what happened was that I did a full 30-minute video today, and for some reason my memory card did not save it. So unfortunately I don't have anything in detail, and I apologize. And I know I promised my subscribers that I would have another video ready, but I don't. So what I'm going to do today is kind of take whatever actual videos that I did salvage. I'm going to try to put them together and kind of do like a before and after and a recap of things that I did today. So we'll go over it a bit and see how it looks, and you know, talk a little bit more about the revision of the Poon headlights. So what I'm doing is retrofitting those as well, and I'll kind of just go over where we're at, so then when I make the next video, you know where we left off. All right guys, so stay tuned, this is going to be good.